We're going to finish our tour by talking about nautiloids and ammonites. Nautiloids and ammonites are both kinds of cephalopods that are related to octopus, squid, and cuttlefish, but they have big external shells that look a bit like ram's horns. Here near the entrance of the gallery, we have a big fossil nautiloid on display, and it's dated to about 43 to 39 million years ago. This fossil was found in South Canterbury. An ammonite you might have heard of because they are very common in the fossil record because they used to be so abundant in the Earth's oceans. Here's a fossilized cluster of ammonites, and this is dated to about 180 million years ago. Ammonites could range in size from small ones like these all the way up to huge ones. The biggest ammonite fossil ever found was 1.8 meters across, which is about the average height of a Kiwi man. This ammonite here is quite cool because it's been cut in half, and that allows us to see what's happened inside the shell during the fossilization and mineralization process. So an ammonite's body is a bit like a squid. It lives in this big shell and its tentacles stick out. And as that soft squid-like body disappeared, it left a lot of gaps inside this shell. And as the minerals seeped in, they created these crystals inside as the shell was fossilized at the bottom of the ocean. Ammonites went extinct about 65 million years ago during that mass extinction event that also killed off the dinosaurs.